shoot some cosplay pictures outside in minus 20 degrees Celsius. Let's start! So first of all, I'm doing a cosplay of Frieren today from the anime Frieren. And she's an elf, she's really cute, and I actually moved to Canada only 3 months ago from Europe, and where I was living in Europe, winter was like 5 degrees Celsius. So, and now today is minus 20, and last week was actually minus 45, record-breaking in the city I live here in Canada. But instead of being sad about the temperatures, I thought, okay, that's a nice challenge. I have never had the chance to shoot cosplay pictures in the snow before, so let's try it. Well, first thing first, I'm gonna wear, under the skirt, I'm gonna wear this very thick type of material, this very thick type of tights that look like skin. And on top of that, I'm going to wear the tights that she wears. And it's gonna look like I'm wearing very thin tights, but I'm actually wearing much warmer clothes. So I have put on the skin-colored tights, and now I'm putting on top of it the black tights. I'm going to wear the leggings as high as I can to protect my belly as well. Now for the top, I'm going to layer and layer and layer some heat tech shirts, long sleeve shirts like this, from the thinnest to the thickest. I have 3 different thickness of heat tech shirts that I'm going to layer. So I'm wearing the thinnest now, and I'm going to put the medium thickness on top of it. Try not to mess up my makeup or wig. Okay, one done. Now I'm going to put the thickest version here. This one is a little bit fuzzy inside, so I'm going to put 2 of these on top. I'm starting to feel hot, but I'm inside, so I need to be sure that outside I feel okay. Actually, it's considered extreme cold, duh, but I mean, like, there was a lot of warnings about like this temperature, so I don't want to get a frostbite or anything, so I'm going to slightly modify her outfit to fit the extreme weather conditions. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, I'm definitely not going to I cannot. Oh, I lost an ear. Whew, I'm feeling hot. I have another one. Okay, let's put another one. My wig looks crazy. I need to fix it after I'm done putting all of these layers on. Oh my god, my wig. It's getting worse and worse. My hair is crazy. Frieren, are you okay? Well, that's bad hair, Frieren. Hangover, Frieren. Frieren got a little bit too drunk last night. Next, I'm gonna put her actual shirt. I can take care of my wig now. I also lost the ear. To make sure that my wig doesn't get too messed up with the outside wind, I'm using this product from Japan, Face Cover Glue. It's actually a skin-safe glue that you can literally glue your hair to your face. So like when there's wind or when you move around, your hair doesn't go anywhere. So I'm going to glue my hair to my face to be sure that no matter the weather condition, my hair stays perfect like an anime girl. You know that anime hair is unrealistic when the only way to get the same result in real life, no matter the condition, is to literally glue your hair to your face. Well, I'm gonna re-brush my hair a little bit. got tangled. Okay, not bad. I'm using Got2b spray. It's like super glue but for hair. So I'm gonna use this to make sure that the hair stays okay even outside. Spoiler alert! It's never enough, but we're doing what we can. What you could do also is like spray on your hand and then okay. Next. Okay. Skirt is on. I'm going to try to tuck some of the layer under the skirt. And I think I will go for a shorter, shoulder cardigan. I have two of them, so I think I can layer two. Let's try to layer two. Yeah, girl is absolutely not going to freeze her butt off trying to be cute outside. One thing about me is that I'm gonna be comfy and cute. I'm not doing a compromise. I mean, the thing with cosplay is that if you're not comfy, it's gonna show on the pictures. This one now? Not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, I look a little bit swollen, but it's not too bad. Okay, I am wearing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers, and now I'm going to put the cape over. Here's the cape. My dog was sleeping on it, so it's pretty warm at the moment. And that is the final result. Friden goes to the mountain, and it's extremely cold. It's -20. That's the look she goes for. We need gloves. Another alteration of her outfit that I'm going to do for the sake of surviving and not get frostbite on my toes is that I'm not going to wear the actual shoes she wears in the anime. I'm going to wear the shoes that you actually wear in extreme cold. My own snow boots. Yes. That I used to walk in the snow with. Alright, let's go! Okay. Okay.